The Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG, today held audience for former and current Ateneo Blue Eagle men's collegiate basketball players to shed more light on Tab Baldwin's rigorous basketball training camp that claimed the lives of two young and prized recruits last week. The CIDG is looking at the angle of the two drowning fatalities as victims of a hazing ritual instead of your typical team-building exercise. Ryan Lesigas has more.
Two possible directions continue to be pursued in the ongoing investigation of the PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG. These are the possibilities that Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili were victims of hazing or homicide. This was the response of the PNP CIDG after the lawyer of the coaching staff, Reynaldo Jacinto, said yesterday that the incident was unintentional, accidental, and that no one wanted Baterbonia and Adili to die.
He is not in the position to make any conclusion sa incident precisely because he is not also there during the time that the incident occurred. So maybe he can advise his client to man up also and face the investigation process. And we will allow him to accompany his client. We will not be denying him that right. But to continue hiding his, practically hiding his, his client does not serve the end of justice. He is a lawyer. Nanumpa po kayo ng justice. So walk the talk.
The PNP CIDG will once again issue subpoenas to Ateneo Blue Eagles resigned head coach Tab Baldwin and other members of the coaching staff. Baldwin has yet to respond to the CIDG's summons. But according to authorities, Baldwin's continued refusal to appear will not work in his favor.
We will exhaust all available power that the CIDG has been given by the law, including the filing of contempt and obstruction of justice cases against them.
The CIDG also has a message for the head coach of the Ateneo Blue Eagles.
Man up, be man enough to face the investigation in the interest of justice and equity para doon sa dalawang players which you call as your brother. Because if you are talking about the yung battle cry of Bebop, band of brother, if you're a brother, you hindi ka tatalikod. So help us also. Help the family attain justice.
Aside from Baldwin, the CIDG will also subpoena the drone footage covering the entire training session conducted in the Pakulao, Aurora. The CIDG's investigation further reveals that the player were not just 300 meters away from the resort when the tragedy occurred, but almost 1 kilometer away. As of yesterday, a total of 17 former and current Ateneo Blue Eagles players have appeared before the CIDG in response to the subpoenas. Many questions still remain unanswered, and the full picture of what truly happened has yet to be completely established. But one thing is clear, based on the investigation, sea conditions were unfavorable when the training took place, making it dangerous, especially for those who were not skilled swimmers. While the whole truth is still being sought, this incident serves as a reminder that every challenge at sea, courage alone is not enough. The safety of every life must always be ensured. Ryan Lesigas for The Nation.